Today we'll use SUMIF and SUMIFS in Google Sheets to total sales by condition. We'll name our spreadsheet Sales SUMIF Demo. Row 1 gets our headers, product, region, sales, and status. Now we enter our first sales rows. Here's our completed table, 6 products across 4 regions. Now for our first formula. SUMIF adds up numbers, but only the ones that match a condition you specify. Think of it as a filtered sum. In F2, we'll write equals SUMIF and look at each piece. B2, B7 is the range we test, the region column. West in quotes is our criterion, only West rows count. And C2, C7 is the range we actually sum from when a row matches. The result is 1900, that's laptops 800, keyboards 700, and tablets 400, the 3 West rows added together. SUMIF can also take just 2 arguments when you're testing and summing the same column. In G2, we write equals SUMIF with C2, C7 as the range, we both test against it and sum from it. Our criterion is 500 in quotes. Notice the comparison operator goes inside the quotes. Because the test range and sum range are identical, we skip the third argument entirely. The result is 2500, laptops 800, keyboards 700, and monitors 1000, the 3 rows over 500. For 2 conditions, we switch to SUMIFS. With an S, the argument order flips. Sum range goes first, then pairs of criteria range and criterion. Here C2, C7 is summed where region is West and status is active. The result, 1200, is just laptop and tablet. Keyboard is West but pending, so it's excluded. Now we'll combine text and numeric criteria in one SUMIFS and reuse the same range in 2 roles. In I2, we write equals SUMIFs. C2, C7 is the sum range. SUMIFS puts it first, opposite of SUMIF. B2, B7 is the first criteria range, the region column. West is the first criterion, match only West rows. Then C2, C7 appears again as the second criteria range. A range can serve as both a test and the source of values to sum. 500 is the second criterion. Keep only rows where sales exceeds 500. The result is 1500, laptops 800 plus keyboards 700. Tablet is West, but its 400 fails the greater than 500 test, so it drops out. Clicking back through each formula, here's the takeaway. Use SUMIF when you have one condition to test against your data. Use SUMIFS when you need 2 or more conditions to all be true. And remember the argument order flip. SUMIF puts the sum range last, SUMIFS puts it first. We used SUMIF for single condition totals and SUMIFS for multi-condition totals, with the sum range position flipping between them.